Just imagine this for a moment. It's 10 years from today, and now we are looking at two families. Interestingly, both families started at almost the same point in life. Similar income, similar opportunities. Yet the financial future looks completely different. So the question is, what created that difference? Let's first look at the first family. They earned well over the years. Whenever they had surplus money, they invested here and there. Sometimes to a mutual fund, and sometimes to an insurance policy, or to fixed deposit, and occasionally to gold. However, there was no clear structure behind those decisions. There was no retirement calculator, no education funding plan, and no systematic review of their finances. So after 10 years of earning and investing, they suddenly realized something uncomfortable. Children's education is approaching, retirement planning still feels uncertain, and their net worth is far lower than what they expected. Now let's look at the second family. They also started with almost the same income, but instead of random investing, they began with a clear financial plan. First, they defined their life goals. Then they aligned their investments with those goals. And more importantly, every year they reviewed their financial progress and made small adjustments. As a result, the money started compounding systematically. Even with a disciplined return of around 10 to 12% annually, investments can double roughly every 6 to 7 years. Over a decade, the net worth grew intentionally and steadily. So, the real difference between these two families was not income, it was structure, discipline, and accountability. And that is exactly what Wealth Foundation Circle is designed to provide. A structured environment where families build wealth deliberately year after year. So, if you want your future self 10 years from now to thank you, the best time to start is today. Schedule your one-on-one clarity meeting and let's start building your financial future with purpose.